All right, this is your garden kneeling and sitting thing. So you can kneel down, get at your garden. Your knees don't have to, it's very soft and comfortable, and you can do your gardening that way. Also, you can hang stuff on these side rails, but it also flips right over, and you can sit on it. Use it for a stool, a chair, maybe stuff that's higher up. Still remain seated and work on things. Uh, it folds up really good into a small little space. I didn't film that part, but those are the springs there. This is a nice surface. It's soft and non-slip. And also, these handrails make very easy to get up and get back down again. It's good to have something to hang on to when you've been kneeling and you're a little bit older. And to get back up is usually can be a problem, but with these handrails, and it's sturdy. It's very sturdy, and you can just get yourself back up again. It's great.